everyone. Today, I want to talk about something we all desire, whether we realize it or not. Security. Security is not just about money. It's not just about savings, income, or positions. Security is about peace of mind. It's about knowing that the people you love will be okay no matter what happens. That's why I believe this truth. Security is the greatest gift we can give to our family. Many people think the greatest gift is success, wealth, or comfort. But all of those things can disappear. Security, on the other hand, stays, even during life's hardest moment. Life is unpredictable. We all experience seasons of stability, seasons of uncertainty, and while we cannot control what will happen tomorrow, we can control how prepared we are for it. Providing security is not about fear, it's about responsibility. When you secure your family's future, you are saying, I care enough to think ahead. You are saying, my love does not stop at today. Think about the people who depend on you, your children, your spouse, your parents, or even loved ones who quietly rely on your support. If life changed suddenly, would they have stability or would they face uncertainty on top of the emotional loss? That question alone reminds us why security matters so much. Security allows families to grieve without panic. It allows children to continue their education. It allows households to remain stable even during difficult transitions. Without security, loss becomes heavier. With security, loss is still painful, but it is not devastating. Security is a gift that speaks when you no longer can. Many people delay planning because they feel uncomfortable talking about the future. Others believe they still have plenty of time, but time is something none of us truly control. The best time to secure your future is not when life becomes difficult. It's when life is still manageable. And one of the most powerful ways to give the gift of security is through life insurance. Life insurance is often misunderstood. People think it's about death. But in reality, life insurance is about protecting life, the lives that continue after us. It ensures that your family has financial stability when they need it most. It helps cover everyday expenses, outstanding debts, and future goals. It protects your loved ones from making difficult decisions during emotional times. Life insurance turns uncertainty into stability. It turns fear into assurance. And let me say this clearly. Planning does not mean you expect something bad to happen. Planning means you value your family enough to prepare. Security also gives us confidence while we are still living. When you know your family is protected, you live differently. You make decisions with clarity instead of fear. You focus on growth instead of worry. Security frees you to enjoy life because you know the foundation is strong. Another important truth is this: security looks different for everyone. There is no one size fits all solution. Every family has different needs, responsibilities, and dreams. That's why education is essential. Security is not about choosing the biggest plan. It's about choosing the right plan. The right plan fits your family, your goals, and your values. It supports your family's need, not just today, but in the future. Ask yourself, who depend on me? What kind of life do I want them to have if I'm no longer here? Will my absence create hardship or protection? Your answers to these questions define what security means for you. One day, Each of us will leave something behind. The question is not if, but what. Will we leave behind confusions or clarity, stress or stability, fear or peace? Security allows us to leave a legacy of care and responsibility. Because legacy is not about how much money you leave. It's about how well you prepared to the people you love. Security is a gift. It doesn't demand attention. It doesn't seek recognition. But when it's needed most, it speaks the loudest. Choosing security today is choosing love that lasts behind your lifetime. So I encourage you, don't avoid the conversation. Don't delay the decision. Take a step, even a small one. Learn your options. Ask questions. Create a plan. Because security is not just a financial decision, it is a loving one. And in the end, the greatest gift you can give your family is not just what you leave behind, but the peace of knowing they are protected. Security is a greatest gift. 2025 reminded me that gratitude changes everything. I am deeply grateful for the journey, the lessons, and God's grace.